Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by writing online with 5 ways. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you a talented writer looking for ways to make money by writing online? If so, you're in luck. There are many different ways to get paid as a writer, and in this video, we'll explore some of the most popular options. First, we'll take a look at writing ebooks. One of the best ways to make money by writing online is to write and sell ebooks. To do this, you'll need to be able to produce high-quality, well-researched, and engaging content. Once you have a finished product, you can sell it through online retailers such as Amazon or Barnes & Noble, or set up your own website to sell the ebook directly to customers. To be successful at selling ebooks, it's important to understand the needs and wants of your target market. What are they looking for? Which information they're looking for? Once you know this, you can create an ebook that meets their needs and stand out from the competition. It's also important to price your ebook competitively. Look at what other authors in your niche are charging and set a price that is fair but will still allow you to make a profit. And finally, promote your ebook through social media, email marketing, and other channels so potential customers are aware of its existence. Next, we'll take a look at writing blog posts. Another great way to get paid online as a writer is by writing blog posts for businesses or individuals who need content for their websites. This is typically done on a freelance basis. Businesses will reach out to writers and request specific blog posts to be written on certain topics. The writers are then paid per article, or per word. To be successful at writing blog posts, you must have a good understanding of SEO, search engine optimization. This will ensure that your articles are being seen by potential customers who are actually searching for the type of information or products that you're providing. It's also important to be able to write catchy headlines and descriptions. This is what will ultimately get people to click through to read your article. And finally, don't forget to include calls to action, CTAs, throughout your blog posts so readers know what they should do next. For example, sign up for your email list, buy your product, etc. In addition to writing blog posts, another way you can get paid online as a writer is by writing web content for businesses that need help with their website copy. This could include things like writing product descriptions, creating landing pages, or even just helping them brainstorm ideas for their website content strategy. Like with blog post writing, web content writing typically happens on a freelance basis. Businesses will contact writers when they need help with specific projects. And again, SEO knowledge is going to be key here so that your work is being seen by those who need it most. Another way writers can earn money online is by writing sales letters for businesses that want help increasing their conversion rates. A sales letter is essentially just a piece of persuasive copy designed to get people interested in a product or service enough that they take some kind of action. As with anything else related to copywriting, Success here comes down to understanding what makes people tick and then being able to craft persuasive arguments accordingly. If you're good at this kind of thing, there's definitely money to be made. Finally, another avenue open to writers looking to earn money online is writing reviews. Whether it's for books, movies, products or services, there are plenty of opportunities to get paid for your honest opinions. You can write reviews for websites, magazines or even start your own blog or YouTube channel. To be successful in this field, it's important to be able to write in a clear, concise, and engaging manner that provides valuable information to readers. Additionally, you should be familiar with the product or service you're reviewing and be able to provide an honest and unbiased opinion. There you have it, 5 ways to make money by writing online. Whether you're looking to write ebooks, blog posts, web content or sales letters, or even writing reviews, there are plenty of opportunities out there. If you're serious about making money as a writer online, it's important to understand your target market, and to be familiar with SEO and other writing best practices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel, and visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.